of these, 3 of these. Hello everyone, all of the chocolates you just saw here are all made in St Lucia. Coco St Lucia is a chocolate factory. However, I was not able to see how the chocolates are made, but I was able to see the section where the chocolates are arranged for sale. Here at Coco St Lucia, there are a variety of chocolates made from scratch with cocoa beans grown right on the island. Follow me as our tour guide shows us around. Excuse the noise in the background.
It's made right here in-house from production to packaging. We have our dark chocolates ranging from 60 to 88%. We have our 60% plain, 60% sea salt crunch, 65% island spice, which is our local spices such as nutmeg, cinnamon, and bay leaf. We have our 70% plain and 70% with cashew. Now on the other side we have milk chocolate, milk passion, and milk with cashew. This is priceless, right? And over here we have our chocolate mendants, which is a chocolate disc which has dried fruits and nuts on top. We have our dark chocolate and milk chocolate. And to the top we have our red chocolate. To the front we have our cocoa nibs, our cocoa sticks, our dark chocolate almonds, tote bags, and nuts. And to the back of it, we have our truffles and bonbons, which comes in assortment boxes.
Yeah. This is hazelnut.
All the prices and sizes they come.
Okay.
They're customizable, so you can mix and match to your liking.
And your bags here, what's in here? Is it just cocoa sticks? And how many cocoa sticks are in there? 1, 2? Okay. Look at this. Like that. So we got 3 of these, 3 of these, and over here 3 of these. So that's 9? Okay, perfect. Okay, one more. My next stop was at the Hotel Chocolat at another chocolate factory in Soufriere. The chocolate is not made at the hotel, it's made at another location, but it's all part of the hotel itself. So we had to take another drive away from the hotel to sort of like an estate. And so that location is called Project Chocolat, where you get a tour of the estate. So you get to see how the cocoa is planted, and the cocoa beans and how it's picked, and right up to how the chocolate is made. I am late for the tour, for the chocolate making part of it. So the method is the chocolate beans are placed into a mortar, and a little water and sugar is added, and you pound the bean until it forms a paste. That paste is dried and shaped into a chocolate bar. A very common delicacy on the island, cassava cake, is made right here in Canaries. and also farine. Farine is cassava flour, but it's got a little, the texture is a little grainier than flour itself. And the farine is made right here. He's right now, cassava has been grated and is being sifted. And for the cassava, it's not as dry. The cassava is made in this terrine here. I call it a terrine. And the farine is made here. After it's sifted, it's placed into this terrine and it's turned into cassava flour. A grainier texture than that of flour. And the cassava flour is used to bake. You can have it with warm milk, and some people like it with avocado. It is something that can be eaten as a meal, actually. These cassava cakes were freshly made. I bought myself a whole bunch. So we have a variety of flavors. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you. And for those of you who are watching my channel for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And the rest of the footage is that of Project Chocolat. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.